In this video, we're doing another spider crawl exercise, doing pattern 1, 3, 2, 4. Let's get going. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, on to 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Remember to be keeping your fingers curled, thumb pointing toward the ceiling. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, last of the 2 clicks per note. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, we're back to 60 beats per minute, doing 1 note per click. 1, 2, ready, go. here's 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Just a few more. Here's 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. $110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Right, here's 120 beats per minute. Last one. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice job sticking it all the way out to the end. I know it's really tedious and it's not the most fun thing to do, but it really is the quickest way. There's no shortcut. There's nothing you can just know that's going to make it easier. You just kind of have to get the reps in. So, just make time to do this a little bit every day and you'll see the progress. See you in the next video.